This video is a tutorial on how to perform panel binding. This demo setup includes our system power module, smart lighting gateway, 6-channel 3-amp leading edge triac dimming modules, and 6-button smart switch panels. First, we use the bus connector to connect the modules. We use 4 wires to connect the 6-button smart switch panels and the dimming modules. Set the panel ID to 4. Turn on the power. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the gateway to the computer. Double-click to open the software. Search for the gateway. This is our gateway address. Double-click the gateway. It displays the gateway information and module information. Click Get Real-Time Status. You can see the version number and online status. Our tool can detect the key values of the panel. Click this option. Select the gateway, and then press the panel button. Now, let's create a scene. Create a scene with 100% full brightness. Click Add. Device ID 2, port 1. Set to 1 second, 100 brightness. Click Add. Let's make a copy. Set it to 0 brightness. Change the operation to 0 brightness. Left-click and drag down. If you want to test, you can click Low. Then click Panel Settings. The panel will appear here once clicked. We click here to execute the address. You can choose single control to directly control the device. For the first port, select dimming. Then click Scene and select a scene. Press to record. Display the address. Do the same for the second one. Once all functions are set, click Download.